But first, I do want to get to an email question from a viewer, Bill. Akina asked, my father was in an accident a month ago. Everything is clear. The other guy caused the wreck. Does he still need a lawyer? I get why you need a lawyer if things aren't clear, but what does a lawyer do if there is no dispute about who caused the wreck?
Well, in that email, there's no way to be able to properly advise this person on whether they need a lawyer or not. You know, when they say everything's clear, what they're talking about is that liability has been established. And so, in other words, the other side knows that they're at fault. The other insurance company on the other side knows that they're at fault. And so they're going to take responsibility for damage. And always have to remember, in any type of a claim there's basically two boxes you have to check. For one, was the other side at fault? In this case, yes, and that's called liability. The other box is damages. In other words, how bad were you injured? What's your out-of-pockets? You know, this and that and the other. With this email, I'm not sure if this person was even injured or not. And so if the other side is taking responsibility and there's $500 worth of property damage done to the car and they're willing to, you know, fix the car, then no, you don't need a lawyer. But if it's anything to do with the doctor or there's an injury, then yes. And so it just depends. And I tell more people during the course of a week that they don't need a lawyer than the ones that I say you do need a lawyer. And I'm as honest as I possibly can with these people. And any good lawyer, any lawyer worth his or her salt is going to tell you that. And they're going to advise you free of charge whether you need a lawyer or not. So the first thing is, just because the case is quote unquote clear, you need at least to speak to a lawyer, let the lawyer look at it, and then he or she can tell you where you need to go from there.
Right, just make sure you're getting a good deal or not.